Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device actually supports biometrics and that the OS is up to date. That avoids wasted steps. Once done, make sure the battery is above 20% and you're connected to Wi-Fi so enrollment won't be interrupted. Next, open the Settings app and navigate to the Security or Biometrics and Passcodes section. This is where the system centralizes sensors and authentication. Tap into that menu now. You're ready for the enrollment flow. You'll now pick the biometric type, fingerprint or face, and follow the guided prompts. The sensor asks for multiple samples, so place your finger or hold your face as directed and slightly change angle each time to capture full detail. If it's fingerprint, roll the pad edge. If it's face, turn your head slowly. Important: set a fallback PIN, pattern, or password when prompted because the system requires a secure backup. Once the last scan confirms, save and enable. Finally, enable biometric unlock for device access and for individual apps or payment methods if you want that convenience. You should immediately test unlocking the device, signing into a protected app, and completing a small payment or authentication to verify everything works. If anything fails, don't panic. Make sure the OS and apps are updated, wipe and re-clean the sensor or camera, then re-enroll the biometric. If problems persist, reboot the device. That resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.